Hi everyone. Today I'm going to read this book. Name is Learning Ladder's Weather. This is how we check on the forecast. World Books Learning Ladder's Weather. This book tells you about different types of weather. You can find out how the weather changes during the year and what happens to plants and animals during the seasons. Clouds and rain. Look up at the sky. Can you see any clouds? Are they white and fluffy or dark and gloomy? Clouds are made up of tiny drops of water. The drops grow bigger and heavier until they fall to the ground. It's raining. This great cloud is full of water and has just burst open. Splish, splash. Lots of raindrops fall onto your head. Fog is a type of cloud that touches the ground. On a foggy day, it's hard to see far in front of you. It's a fact. The rainiest place on earth is a mountain in Hawaii. All of the rain that falls there in a year would cover a 3-story building. A raincoat keeps out the water inside. You stay cozy and dry. Can you see the wavy ripples in the water? This beautiful pattern of colors is called a rainbow. It appears when there is rain and sunshine at the same time. The dog has wet fur, so it shakes itself dry. Watch out for the splashes! Wind. You can't see the wind, but you can feel it on your skin. Sometimes the wind feels warm, but at other times it's cold. These pictures show you what can happen on windy days. The wind is blowing hard enough to push this windsurfer across the choppy water. A gentle breeze makes your socks and t-shirts flap about on the clothesline. Whoosh! In a strong breeze, these colorful kites soar high into the air. Look out! A sudden gust of wind can turn your umbrella inside out. In a strong gale, the wind whistles through the trees. Leaves fly everywhere. A fierce wind called a tornado whirls around like a spinning top. It looks like a long funnel. It's a fact. A tornado can be so powerful that it can lift a mighty red high up into the air. It's a storm. When clouds in the sky loom big and dark and the wind starts to howl, you know a storm is on the way. Suddenly, rain powers down. A storm can be exciting, but make sure you stay safely inside your home. It's raining so hard that the road has started to flood. Dazzling lightning is a giant spark of electricity from a thundercloud. It lights up the sky for a few seconds. A huge black thundercloud covers the sky. It's a fact. During the storm, lumps of ice, called hailstones, may fall from the sky. The largest hailstone ever spotted was almost as big as a soccer ball. A flash of bright white lightning streaks through the sky. Boom! If you see lightning, you will soon hear thunder. Snow and ice. On a cold day, snow falls from the sky and covers the ground like a white carpet. You can make funny shapes out of fresh, wet snow. If it's freezing cold, the snow may turn into hard, slippery ice. It's a fact. In some of the coldest parts of the world, people called Inuit once built shelters called igloos out of snow and slabs of ice. Water in the clouds freezes into white snowflakes that fall gently to the ground. A smiling snowman lasts for as long as the weather stays cold. The wind blows the snow into a big pile called a snowdrift. Long, sharp incisals are frozen drips of water or snow. It's fun to make blueprints in the crunchy snow. Look at this, Lily say. Lazy snowflake, each tiny flake of snow has a different pattern. Family snapshots. Take a look at the vacation photographs in our album. People take vacations come rain or shine. Are the children getting dressed for hot or cold weather? Weren't you know? Here are some words that you read early in this book. Say them out loud. Then try to find the things in the pictures. Rainbow, choppy water, thundercloud, raincoat, puddles, snowflakes. What helps keep the girl dry in the rain? What happens when it's sunny and rainy at the same time? Changing seasons. Some places have 4 seasons called spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Each season brings its own kind of weather as the weather warms up and cools down. Look out for all kinds of changes that happen. In spring, there are a lot of rain, showers, and new flowers. The sun begins to shine more warmly too. It's a fact. When it's winter and chilly in the top half of the world is summer and sunny in the bottom of half of the world. In winter, it may start to snow. This is the coldest time of the year. Spring, winter. In summer, the sun is high in the sky and shines brightly. This is the hottest time of the year. Summer, autumn. Some countries have only 2 seasons, one dry and one rainy. In the rainy season, it can pour for months. In autumn, some leaves change colors and the days turn cooler. Warm spring. In spring, the weather warms up and the days become longer now that the cold winter is over. Plants push out of the ground and new leaves start to grow. Lots of baby animals are born too. Hundreds of tiny buds start to unfold. The buds become bright green new leaves. Spring is a colorful season. The first flowers start to bloom. A baby lamb has a thick woolen coat to keep it warm on cooler days. Gardeners are busy at this time of year. Gentle rain and warm sunshine help young plants to grow quickly. A bird has returned from its winter home far away. It has built a snug nest. The bird lays eggs in the nest. The eggs will hatch late in the spring. These fluffy ducklings are a few weeks old. There is plenty of food to eat, so soon they will be big and strong. Hot summer. In summer, the days are long and warm. It's fun to play outside when the sun shines brightly and the sky is blue. Insects buzz and flutter around the gardens, which are packed with colorful scented flowers. The warm golden sunshine helps the flowers bloom. Splashing in the water is a fun way to cool. A stripped bee lands on a flower. The bee collects a sweet juice called nectar. A sun hat and sunglasses protect you from the sun's hot rays. Never look directly at the sun. It could damage your eyes. Damage your eyes. Make sure you rub plentifully in a sunblock into your skin. It will help protect your skin from the strong sunshine. The cat looks comfortable resting in the cool shade. Bright butterflies flutter through the garden. Cool autumn. On an autumn day, it's fresh and cool. Even when the sun shines, trees lose their leaves, fruit ripens, and animals prepare for the cold winter months. Early in the morning, the air may feel damp. Colorful leaves fall from branches. It's fun to rake the leaves that have fallen from the tree. Juicy red apples are ready to be picked from the tree. This apple tastes sweet. A squirrel collects nuts. It stores them, then eats them during the cold winter. There are tasty nuts for animals to eat. These birds are about to fly into a warmer place far away. They'll return in the spring. It's a fact. A squirrel hides nuts for the winter in all kinds of nooks and crannies, but sometimes it forgets where it has put them. Cold winter. In winter, days are short and nights are long. The sun's rays are weak and the weather turns cold. Many animals hide until the warm spring. Others are up and about during the cold weather. There are many bare trees in winter. The leaves fell off the trees in autumn. It's so cold that the water in this pond has frozen into ice. This plant is covered in a coat of frost. It looks like icing on a cake. Even in freezing winter, pine trees keep their leaves called needles. There's little food for birds to eat except winter berries. In the cold winter months, a dormouse sleeps in cozy nests. It won't wake up until the warm spring arrives. Which baby animals play in fields in spring? Seasons projects. Look at these colorful projects. They're perfect for keeping a record of changes to the seasons. Spring, summer. What do birds like to eat in winter? Autumn, winter. Words you know. Here are some words that you read early in this book. Say them out loud. Then try to find the things in the pictures. Bare trees, nuts, lambs, butterflies, berries, flowers. How many fluttering butterflies can you count? Where are trees, berries, and leaves? Which animal collects nuts in autumn? Did you know the bands of color in the rainbow always appear in the same order? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. About 600 bolts of lightning streak the earth every minute. You can tell how far away a thunderstorm is. Every 4 seconds between a lightning flash and a thunderclap counts as 1 mile, 176 kilometers away. Research shows that windy, stormy weather often makes people grumpy. Most of the world's tornadoes happen in an area called Tornado Alley that stretches across the midwestern and southern United States. A raindrop may contain about 1 million cloud droplets before it is heavy enough to fall. Puzzles, close up. We zoom in the different kinds of weather. Can you guess what is in each picture? Answers on page 32. Double trouble. Look at these pictures, 2 pictures of a rainy day. Can you find 4 difference between picture A and picture B? Match up. Match each word on the left, which is picture on the right. It is light bulb, this is snowflake, this is rainbow, this is lightning, this is snowflake, this is hailstone, this is no. We cannot look at the pictures. True or false? Can you figure out which of these statements are true? You can go to the page numbers list to help you find out the answers. A tornado can be so powerful that it can lift a train into the air. Go to page 7. In the rainiest place in the world, enough rain falls yearly to cover a 3-story building. Go to page 5. When it's winter in the top half of the world, it's summer in the bottom half. Go to page 14. Some hailstones are as big as beach balls. Go to page 9. A squirrel always remembers where it has hidden its nut. Go to page 21. The end. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.